Well, she's nearly all back in one piece. As you can see, we've got CPU board, RAM board, SH1 board, and SCSI board all in. And all we need now is pretty much the CD drive module thing, and she'll be right as rain. So let's get that CD drive photographed, and then we'll give it a bit of a clean and pop it back in. Pretty neat looking. Need to get some 8 meg RAM chips for these slots here. There's the cartridge slot. It looks like that by revision 0.7 they had most of the physical layout of these ready, because the main board is a revision 1, which would indicate that this revision 0.7 board here was pretty much finished, and chances are they just did some revisions to the software on the actual chips because they're all socketed, which is a very good move. SH1 board was pretty much done. It doesn't have too much different from the final, and yeah, that's about it. Not too much to it. Other side is completely blank, which isn't very exciting, just a lot of traces. So there you have it. We'll be back in a few. And we're back. Back in one piece as well. Power on test. Power's on. It's about all I can test, unfortunately, and I guess I can check this LED. Make sure it's blinking. Yep, it's blinking alright. What's that button? Power on. Got some buttons down here. What's that one? Anyway, here's the front panel. That's my current switch configuration. No idea if that's right or not. That's how it was shipped to me. We've got a serial port, AV out, 3 soft press buttons here, some lifty things, serial, SCSI and controller ports, and over here we've got VCD, which is more SCSI from what I understand. Around the side we've got a Mitsubishi fan. It pushes a fair bit of air too. It's quite breezy over here, and now there's probably a lot more air getting through that the all the cigarette smoke isn't in the way anymore. CD drive itself, not terribly exciting. No CD in there. Under here we have the cartridge slot. There's the side, just more vents. We've got the back of the system, which has a big LED on the inside. Cool. Also got my product number, date and serial number, some sort of revision and Victor in the back. You see input is using the 110 volt converter to the 240 that we have here. Not very nice looking on the back, is she? These here are two doors, slide down doors. There are two screws there on each one. You loosen them and they slide down, and then you can fit in into the two CPU sockets, or just one of the CPU sockets. The ICE emulator thing, which I don't have. I don't have any CPUs for this. I had two ICE debugger things that I'd probably be able to get to boot, but you can just get the CPU cards on their own. If I had two of those, it would work, but unfortunately I don't. So with this unit, we at least know the CD drive works, and the CD drive's pretty exciting. I do need to get some RAM for it, as well as CPUs. If I get some RAM, it'll be pretty cool, because then we'll have RAM step by step. Let's just enjoy that LED blinking. Fantastic. Interrupted. And as you can see, a very nice big power switch. Really makes you feel like you're powering it on and off. You're making a difference. Solid. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed me putting this beast back together. It's taken me 6, 7, 8, probably 8 or 9 months to finally do. Photograph and document all the insides for the rest of the world. If you do want to see any of the photos of the innards, jump onto retrojunkie.net, hit the photo gallery in the menu bar, and you can enjoy all the photos. There's about 270 of them. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.